Hi, I'm Brad, president of Beijing Hongdee Corporation, dedicated in making instrument tables and refracting units over 15 years. Right now, I'm in our factory, and I'm going to give you a brief tour of our workshop. All of the parts of our instrument table and refracting units are machined, produced, and assembled here within our factory. That's why the fast shipping can be guaranteed. Normally, the lead time will be just around several days. Our daily production capacity is about 350 units, and monthly production capacity is about 1,000 units.
Now I'm going to introduce to you our full line of ophthalmic equipment, and follow me and take a look inside.
Hi, I'm Molly. This is our new Optometry.
Hi Molly, wow, this looks beautiful. Can you just let me know if it is static or kinetic perimeter, and also how many test programs it has?
This Optometry is a static perimeter with 14-inch touchscreen, and it also has 22 test programs available to do different tests.
This is our manufacturer Vista.
Okay, then what's the big range of your manufacturer?
We have a wider PD range. Our competition fracture is from 48mm to 75mm, while ours is to 80mm to meet different needs.
Hi, Dana. Is this auto capture or manual capture?
This auto refractometer can switch between auto capture and manual capture.
Hey Joanna, what ophthalmic equipment is it?
It's a slit lamp with LED illumination.
Leah, could you tell me what size monitor does the Elite HR dongle fit?
Of course, it is to match with any size monitor kit to any desk exam room.
What's the advantage over traditional vision chart?
Very compact, 1/10 of shipping cost of traditional vision chart. Hi Lawrence, what's the unique feature of the Jack Pro table?
The maximum loading is up to 100 kilograms.
Our ISO certificate, our verified supplier certificate, all the certificates.
Hi, my name is Bernhard Steiner and I own a small medical device company in Austria that has specialized in eye care. I've been in this industry for almost 30 years, and during this time I've worked together with partners from all over the world. Business with Hongdee started back in 2016. Due to the small size of our country, the number of goods we purchase from Hongdee is limited, but my team and I have always
Welcome.
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 Welcome to Hongdee.
Welcome to Beijing Hongdee Corporation.
Welcome to Beijing Hongdee Corporation.
Welcome to join Hongdee.
Welcome to Hongdee.